Do you want to be able to make this, or this? I'll teach you everything you need to know to be able to make all of them. Let's go! Let's start with everything you will need. First, knitting needles. I like to use these interchangeable knitting needles from Hobbii because one set has all of the most popular sizes and cables, and that's just handy in my opinion. Then moving on to yarn, I recommend starting with cheaper, maybe acrylic yarn, as you will make mistakes while learning and you just don't want to waste the expensive and nice yarn for now. I also don't recommend starting with black or dark yarns as it will be hard to see the stitches in the beginning. Also, yarns like these and other mohair or fluffy yarns are a bit hard to use for the beginners. So the best option for now would be Amigo yarn from Hobbii or anything similar to this. Now for the accessories. You will need scissors, of course, to cut the yarn, stitch markers to mark your stitches, a row counter, that's kind of self-explanatory, it helps you to count rows, a measuring tape to measure how long you have made your project, and a darning needle to help you weave in those ends or maybe stitch two pieces together. You can find all of these under the accessories category on Hobbii's website, and voila, now you know everything you need to be able to comfortably start your new hobby. And in the next episode I will tell you all about how to choose the correct needles for your yarn. See you!